Hello and welcome to another video of Vice Versa. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to unlock the enchanting world of Midjourney. I am thrilled to be your guide on this journey of crafting mesmerizing panoramic images and dynamic panning videos. Get ready to dive deep into the heart of creativity as we unravel the process, step by step, from start to finish. Let's begin. Step number 1. Conceptualizing your vision. Our journey begins with a spark of inspiration. Whether you're envisioning a dreamy landscape or a whimsical scenario, Midjourney offers a canvas for your imagination to run wild. Start by crystallizing your concept, the cornerstone of your creative adventure. For example, today we want to see animals flying in the sky like a Superman. Step number 2. Choosing your foundation. Step into the realm of Midjourney and generate a starting image of your concept. Select the image that will lay the groundwork for your masterpiece. It is essential to choose an image that resonates with your vision, whether it's a serene landscape or an imaginative scene. Remember, this image is your artistic foundation. Here we have selected horse flying in the sky like a Superman. Step number 3. Activating the pan feature. Now, let's delve into the pan feature. Activate remix mode with a simple command. /settings. Step number 4. Start panning. The arrow buttons guide your panning direction, a virtual dance that sets the stage of your visual narrative. Choose a direction by using the arrow buttons located beneath your generated image. In my scenario, I initiated the pan towards the left. Enabling the remix mode presents a pop-up window that allows you to modify the prompt. Midjourney then examines half of your image and the content you have entered in the prompt window. It ingeniously crafts an output that harmonizes stylistically with both the image and your prompt, culminating in a seamless fusion of these elements. Watch in awe as your image takes on a life of its own. Step number 5. Weaving text and image. As your image pans, the real magic begins. Your textual cues intertwine seamlessly with the visual, creating a dynamic and engaging story. Want to add external elements? Employ image prompts strategically, guiding Midjourney's artistic direction in synchronization with your vision. Step number 6. The art of iteration. Iteration is where your masterpiece flourishes. With each pan, your creation evolves, revealing new facets and dimensions. Remember, every pan builds upon the last, crafting a tale that deepens with every step. Step number 7. Selecting the apex. As your panning journey concludes, choose the pinnacle image that encapsulates the essence of your creation. This image becomes the visual crescendo that draws your audience into your story. Step number 8. Crafting the script. Visit ChatGPT armed with your chosen image. Describe your desired narrative direction and let ChatGPT generate a script that complements your masterpiece. This script will serve as your guiding star in the next phase. Step number 9. Breathing life with voice. Bring your script to life using text-to-speech generator. Your narration sets the tone and adds a personal touch, immersing your audience in the world you have curated. Step number 9. Assembling your masterpiece. With your panoramic wonder and narrated script in hand, It is time to assemble your masterpiece using a video editing software of your choice. Blend your visuals and audio seamlessly, transforming your creation into an immersive experience. Step number 10. Elevating with music. Elevate your creation with the magic of music. Choose a fitting melody that complements your narrative and enhances the emotional impact of your masterpiece. Step number 11. Adding dynamic effects. Embrace the power of pan and zoom effects. Guide your audience gaze through your creation, adding a dynamic layer to your storytelling. Each frame becomes a visual exploration. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive journey from concept to creation. Midjourney empowers you to explore, imagine, and craft stunning panoramic images and videos that resonate with your vision. As we conclude this step-by-step guide, remember that your creativity knows no bounds. So go ahead, forge your own artistic path, and share your masterpieces with the world. Until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep your imagination alive. Thank you for joining me. If you found this step-by-step guide insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more creative content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. As we continue our exploration of artistic expression, let's keep pushing the boundaries of our creativity together.